So today I'm going to do a quick overview of the TD Snap Motor Plan 66. So this motor plan is a symbol-supported language system designed to grow with AAC users. And in TD Snap's Motor Plan 66 layout, users can access over 2,700 words with consistent button placement to build motor memory. So this motor plan is designed with buttons that are easily accessible, and you'll find core words in the center with quick access to topics, quick fires, everything. So every word starts on the homepage, and users can learn consistent motor patterns and help their communication to become more efficient and automatic. So, for example, if I were to click on I, and then if I were to click on saw, you can also see right here that C is there. And then if I were to click on C, it goes to seeing. And then all of these words change as well, which is just really cool. And they're all located within the same spot. So I'm just going to click clear to clear this out. So I'm going to go over some of the colors for you. So this blue right here is going to be the question words. And then this yellow right here is going to be our pronouns and our people words. And then this green is going to be our verbs and all of our action words. And then over here in orange is going to be our connecting words and conjunctions. And then over here in purple is going to be our additional core vocabulary and our fringe words and just things that we really like to talk about. So anytime that you have a button with this shaded corner, so we can see that within the purple buttons, and then over here with questions and people, that just means that these are buttons that'll take you to a separate page. So for example, if I click on any one of these buttons, like I am, they're all going to stay on the same page. But if I were to click on more things, it takes me to a specific page with just more things. And then over here we can see that little gray area up here. If I click on weather, it takes me to specific weather buttons. And then with our gray buttons over here and over here, I'm just going to run through these really quickly. So quick fires are greetings and phrases that we use for social interactions. So hello, goodbye, all of those words. Then I'm going to click home. And then here's our keyboard. And this just gives us more access to a bunch of words that we want to use. So you can really just type in anything here if maybe there's not a button that has that word, or if you just want to type in sentences, whatever you prefer. And then over here with our word forms, these are going to show us different tenses. So for example, if I were to click go, and then word forms, it would show different tenses that you can add on. I'm going to click home. And then our dashboard is where we can check on battery status, volume, and then we have all of these visual supporters over here. So we have Alexa, visual timer, etc. So then I'm going to click home. And then up here at the top is our speech bar. So whatever button you click on, you'll just see it right here. So I'm going to click clear. So if I were to click on I am meeting, you just see it all up here. And then here's the clear button. If I were to click on that, it just clears the screen. And then if I were to click on this delete button, it would just delete one word. So you. Then I'm going to hit delete. It deletes you. And then over here is the speak button. So when you press it, it'll just speak whatever's in this bar right here.